Your first client said yes. You found them, you priced the work, they agreed. Congratulations! And now the panic hits. Because saying, yes, I can do this is easy. Actually delivering it, well, on time, without a team, without embarrassing yourself, that's where most new freelancers fall apart. The client is trusting you now. Screw up the delivery, and there's no second project, no referral, no review. So let's make sure you don't. Here's the delivery system.
First, the truth. AI can do a lot of the heavy lifting here. Drafting, structuring, speeding you up. But it will not deliver the work for you. It doesn't feel the deadline. It doesn't know your client's taste. And it will confidently hand you something wrong if you don't check it. So the rule for this whole system, AI produces, you direct and approve. Same freelancer as before, the one writing email newsletters for a small online store. The client said yes. Now, let's deliver.
Step 1, turn the project into a workflow. Before you touch the work, panic makes people just start typing. Don't. First, break the job into clear stages. For our freelancers newsletter project, that's understand the product, draft the emails, edit for voice, then schedule. Here's where AI helps you plan, not just produce. Prompt, break this freelance newsletter project into a clear step-by-step delivery workflow, from client brief to final send. Now you're not staring at a blank screen in a panic. You have a map. Now the work has stages, not chaos.
Step 2, use AI to produce a first draft fast, then take control. This is where beginners make the fatal mistake. They let AI write it, copy-paste, and send. The client can tell. It reads generic, soulless, off-brand. Do it right. Feed AI the product details and the client's style. Get a strong first draft in minutes, then you rewrite the parts that matter. The AI draft is generic, safe, forgettable. Your version has a sharper hook, real product details, the client's voice. AI got you 80% there in 5 minutes. You added the 20% that makes it yours. That 20% is what the client is actually paying for. Step 3, quality check before it ever reaches the client. This is the step that separates amateurs from professionals, and the one panicking beginners skip. Never send first draft work. Run it through a check. Prompt, review this newsletter as if you're the client. Flag anything unclear, off-brand, or likely to underperform. Be honest. Ask yourself, is it on brand? Is the call to action clear? Any errors or fluff? Would the client be proud to send this? AI catches what tired eyes miss, but you make the final call. You're the one whose name is on this. Now you're not hoping it's good, you know it is. Step 4, deliver early and turn one project into more. Here's a secret pros know. Delivering a day early beats delivering perfect and late. It signals reliability, the thing clients value most. When you send, don't just dump the files. Frame it. Here's what I did, here's why, here's how to give feedback. Then ask the one question that turns a one-off into a regular. Here's your first newsletter, ready to send. I focused on driving repeat sales. Want me to handle next week's too? That last line is how a single project becomes recurring income. Now you don't just deliver, you build a client who comes back. So that's the delivery system. Build the workflow, produce with AI, quality check hard, deliver early, and open the door to more. Do this and you stop dreading delivery. You start trusting your own process. But if you're doing this same workflow for every client, every week, by hand, you're leaving time and money on the table. The next step is making the system run without you. That's File 5, how to automate your one-person business with AI so it works while you don't. This is Money OS. We cut through the hype so you don't have to.